Let's work on the examples that the last video skipped, just to make sure we're all on the same page. So it'd be great if you tried these ahead of time and then you can check your answers. I also want to show you maybe a different way to do these if you're struggling with some of them or just sort of need a little extra support. One thing you can do is line these up vertically. So I'm writing the first polynomial on the top row, 4x squared plus 8x minus 3. And this works best if it's addition. If it's subtraction, you need to show the step of distributing the minus sign. But with addition, I'm just going to line up the like terms, making sure that each one has its sign in front of it, like negative 5x squared plus 7x minus 6. And by like terms, remember we mean same variable, same exponent. So once those are lined up, then we can just add them. So 4 minus 5 is negative 1 x squared. So the exponents don't add, it's just the coefficients we're focused on here. So the exponents are just to verify that they're like terms, then we add the coefficients. 8 plus 7 is 15x, negative 3 plus negative 6 is minus 9. So the answer to this question is negative x squared plus 15x minus 9. And you don't have to line them up vertically, but for some people that really helps them see what's going on. All right, let's go to example 6 on the next page here. It says find the difference. Difference means subtraction. And for these problems, what that means is you need to distribute this minus sign into the parentheses. And I need to see a step of work for that. The addition problems, if you can do them in your head, great. But with subtraction, I need to see at least one step of work. So this is 8y squared. The first polynomial doesn't change, 2y minus 7. And then we need to distribute. So it becomes minus 4y squared plus 8y, then minus 3. And again, you could, of course, write that out to the side if you're not into this vertical alignment, but for some people that helps. And notice I'm lining up like terms. So y squareds with y squareds, y's with y's, constants with constants. And I've distributed the minus sign to each of the terms in the second polynomial. So now we just add coefficients. 8 minus 4 is 4y squared. 2 plus 8 is 10y. Negative 7 plus negative 3 is negative 10. So then that's the answer to this subtraction problem. All right, last one in this section. Example 7, find the sum. So with sum, it's up to you how much work you show. With difference, I need to see that distribution. But this one, we have to be careful because these aren't like terms, right? 4y squared and 5x squared are not alike. So in our final answer, we're going to have both 4y squared and 5x squared. They're not like terms. What are like terms are the x times y terms. So we have 3x times y's plus 8x times y's makes 11xy's. And then finally, the constant terms. Negative 1 plus 7 is 6.